The repair of an LED bulb, Par38. I got a couple of LEDs blown out over here, as you can see. I marked them, 1, 2, and 3. The rest of them are good. They were already tested in my last video. Now it's just basically taking them out. I already took out one of these, snipped it out. Here's the other one. Snip them out, like so. This one here. Just like that. Boom. So I got 3 busted LED bulbs. Okay guys, so basically now I'm going to replace these LEDs. Here I've got exactly the same type of LED where you could buy them online. I got these off of, I believe, AliExpress, if I recall. Anyway, so they do have a positive and a negative terminal, as you can see here. If you look very, very closely, I don't know if the camera can show it. This one is positive, and that's negative. Very important when you're putting these back in here. Okay, so I got 3 of them prepped up. I got my soldering iron, and let's try to see if we could put this back in here. There is already some solder on there, so if I get lucky, let's heat it up. There, that's it. Just a little bit, not too much. And the same thing right here. Let's get a little bit more flux on this. Flux is always good. Makes it stick a little bit better. That's it, see? There. That's on there. Next one, too. And a little flux. Determine the positive. The positive is right there. Can't be a pain in the ass, but I don't want to make it sloppy, you know? Yeah. As long as you make the connection properly. Here's the other one. Let's try this one by adding a little bit of solder. Make sure that we have a good connection. There. Okay. Get that cleaned up a little bit. There you go. That's repaired. Let's see now. Now we have the trusty 9-volt battery tester. Positive and negative. Boom. That works. And this one here too. And this one. Beautiful. So these are all working now. Now I'm going to get the transformer to light up all of them, connect it back together, and then we're good to go. Okay, so putting it back together again with the module now. So you could solder these, but since I change these modules so often, I kind of just like basically make this connection like this, and then I just put a little bit of electrical tape. No big deal. 1, 2, like that. I think next time I'm going to get those little micro nuts. What do you call it? This the caps, the electrical caps. So this goes in here like that, and that's the end connection. These things have become a little bit too expensive, so buying the actual module and replacing it is a lot cost efficient because I got so many of them in the store. So I learned to actually just replace the modules and now the LED bulbs. And this is how it works. There you go, just like that. Tuck it all back in. The screws back in. Basically what I've just done is just rebuilt an LED bulb. Now not all of them can be rebuilt, only because a lot of them are sealed from the factory. But these fortunately are rebuildable, as you can see, which is pretty cool. And these basically you put back together right here like this. These are the magnifiers. They're a pain in the ass, but again, put the cap on. That's the aluminum cap. I'm gonna line them up. Centering these are a little bit tricky, but with a little bit of time, it works. There. Perfect. There you go. Perfect.